Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm looking at the Persuasive Lecture format in Scrivener 3 for Windows, contributed by Jack Colon. This format is intended as an outline for creating a persuasive lecture, and is based on the original format by Alan H. Monroe. This template has an About page at the top, but you don't really need to look at that, because if you open up the inspector, all that information is in the Notes field on the Notes tab for each section. There is nothing actually in any of the sections created in the manuscript area, called lecture steps here. Just a structure to follow. There is also nothing in notes or research. All the formatting is in a specific compile format, which is set up with consecutive section numbering, with Calibri for the titles and Times New Roman for the text. If it were me, I'd do a global change to make that all one font. But as these are only supposed to be notes, that may not be important. The only other formatting I can find is that bottom of the page numbering is set in the headers and footers. You might want to add a header with the name of the lecture. To do that, simply type it into one of these header boxes. Another thing you might want to do for this, if you needed to print it out, especially if you wanted to use it for handouts, would be to give it a title page, which you could create with a front matter folder, so that it doesn't get affected by the numbering. You would also need to add this in Compile, so that it would be included when you generated your file. If you want to see my breakdowns of other academic formats, please check out this playlist here.